Hello students, how are you? Hope you all are fine at home. So to students, today we will begin with the chapter 3 of literature, Cat's Paradise. Before the explanation of the chapter, firstly I want to tell you the meaning of paradise. Paradise means heaven, or in Hindi we will say Swarg. Now here in this story we will see the paradise from the perspective of a cat. The writer of the story is an animal lover here. Now, this story tells us about the difference in the life of pet cat or the street cat. Pet cat means who live in the house and look after by the master according to his needs, while the street cats live in the streets without any caretaker. So according to this story, we will talk about the paradise of pet cat because the paradise of pet cat is totally different from the paradise of street cat. So students, अगर हम कैट्स की नज़र से देखें तो पेट कैट्स का स्वर्ग किसी और किस्म का होगा, जबकि स्ट्रीट कैट्स का स्वर्ग किसी और किस्म का होगा. While reading the chapter, we will understand the meaning of it. So let's begin with the chapter. So students, this is the story of a pet cat. I is a pet cat here. Because he is of 2 years old and doesn't have any experience. Nave means unexperienced totally. Here, Pet is only of 2 years old and she is fat and unexperienced completely. Because we know at this tender age no one can get experience. So, the cat is confidently refused to take all the comforts of the life. Presumptuously means confidently. And disdained means refused. So, the cat confidently refused to take all the comforts of life because he was given a comfortable bed with soft blankets. So, students, if anybody get the comfort very easily, then they will never value of that comfort. As it is, the pet cat had done the same thing. क्योंकि उसे यहाँ पे उसके मालिक के द्वारा पूरा कंफर्ट दिया गया था, बेडरूम और साथ में ब्लैंकेट्स, ताकि उसको किसी भी तरह का कोई हार्म ना हो सके. बट द कैट वॉज कम्प्लीटली थैंकलेस टू हिज मास्टर. Even he got the fresh meat daily instead of bread and soup. उसे ब्रेड और सूप की बजाय डेली फ्रेश मीट भी दिया जाता था. But he was completely thankless to God. Providence here, providence means God. So she had only one dream. He had only one dream, to roam like street cats here and there. Because he thought he had no interest in all the comforts which was given to him by his master. Even he was feeling bored by all these comforts. Here, insipid means not interested. He is not interested in all the comforts which was given to him by his master. He wanted to go out and jumped on the rooftops like other cats. रूफटॉप्स का मतलब होता है घरों की छतों के ऊपर जैसे कोई मतलब आपस में कोई भी मतलब चढ़ के उतर सकता है, उसको रूफटॉप्स कहते हैं. तो ही वांटेड टू गो आउट एंड जंप्ड ऑन द रूफटॉप लाइक अदर कैट्स. ही सेड because of pet cat's point of view, he thought freedom can get out of the house. उसे लगता था कि फ्रीडम सिर्फ घर से बाहर निकल के ही मिल सकती है. So one day he saw 4 cats were playing on the rooftops, so he also wanted to join them and play with them. So one day he decided to run away. Every day he was kept under locks. Locks means उसको मतलब लॉक के अंदर रखा जाता था ताकि कोई भी उसको हार्म ना पहुंचा सके. नो वन कैन हार्म हिम. बट वन डे हिज मास्टर फॉरगॉट to shut the kitchen window, and he got a chance to get out of the house. After getting freedom, he felt that he got his dream of paradise. He was feeling happy with the delicious smell of gutter. He felt as if he was walking on the velvet. His paws were immersed in the fine mud. Immersed meaning धस जाना. उसके पाँव कीचड़ में धस रहे थे. But he was feeling very happy. Even his fat was also dissolving with the heat of sun, because he had become fat because of all the comforts which was given by his master. When he was out from the house, there was a fear in his mind. His legs were trembling with fear because the three cats were scaring him by meowing frightfully. Meowing frightfully meaning frightfully तरीके से म्याऊं म्याऊं करके डराना. But so he tried to do a drama of practically fainted, but suddenly the cats explained that they were just doing a joke. कि हम तो सिर्फ मजाक कर रहे थे. Soon they became friends and enjoyed a lot on the rooftops. The meaning of rooftops you can clear from this picture. Here you can see the cats are on the rooftops. Rooftop means the top of the roofs from where we can see everything. So the pet cat was totally unexperienced because she don't know how to cross the roofs of the houses. So then a old Tom offered him to educate properly and to survive in the streets like the street cats. Now he forgot all the comforts which was given by his master. Now he drank water from the gutters. Even he forgot the taste of sugar and milk. Suddenly a beautiful cat passed from him and he wanted to touch her. But she passed in such a way like she is unfamiliar to him. He said, I had never seen such a beautiful creature in my life. But his companions means comrades, उसके साथी, friends. But उसके companions ने कहा कि I dashed forward to greet her. You will meet so many beautiful cats in your life ahead. So after enjoying a lot and playing so much, he felt very hungry. He felt very hungry. Now I asked from my friend Tom, now what can we eat here? Then Tom said, whatever you can find. His answer perplexed का मीनिंग होता है confused, puzzled. उसके उत्तर ने मुझे confuse कर दिया. Because whenever I was in my master's house, I got everything whatever I demand. But now I have to struggle for food and water. Finally, we saw a man who was making lunch in his room, and he was making the red cutlets and was placing on the table. When we went there, the man had seen us. Firstly, he scared us with the broom. Then he dropped a cutlet and scared away. Then we ran from there. After that, my friend told me, what are you doing? The food on the table is only for the admiration from a distance. We have to get our food from the gutters. Firstly, I never understand why the cats can get food from the kitchen. Now, my hungerness was growing speedily. But Tom told me that we have to wait until night, because when the night will fall, then the wasted food will be thrown on in the street on the garbage heaps. Scavenges means search for things that can be used or eaten from garbage. So we have to pick our food from the garbage heaps. Garbage heaps का मतलब होता है कूड़े के ढेर, where we have thrown our garbage. So we have to wait until now it is dark. And it is dark, and I was feeling very cold because it began to rain. But I have to be strong. Penetrating means strong, because I want this type of freedom. So I have to wait till night and to feel cold. Now with the rain, the whole street looks shabbily मीन्स गंदी. पूरी की पूरी जो स्ट्रीट थी वो बहुत गंदी नज़र आ रही थी. नाउ माई पास वर स्लिप्ड फ्रॉम द ग्रीसी पेमेंट एंड वी हैव टू स्टे इनसाइड. नाउ आई वॉज मिसिंग माई ऑल कम्फर्ट्स विच वॉज गिवन बाई माई मास्टर, माई ब्लैंकेट्स, माई ऑल कम्फर्ट्स. आफ्टर दैट माई फ्रेंड Tom was trembling with cold. He crouched down means नीचे बिल्कुल दुबक के नीचे बैठ जाना. and crept craftily मतलब बिल्कुल धीरे धीरे चलते जाना along the house wall. घर की दीवार के साथ साथ धीरे धीरे चलता गया. and told me to hiding himself and coming behind me. and he told me that are you seeing a man that had a basket in his hand? I said yes. What is in his basket? I asked from Tom. He said if he had seen us, then we have been caught and roasted on a spit. Roasted on a spit means we have to cook ourselves. We have to find our food from any other place. After a long wait, we got only 3 skinny bones. Then I realized the importance of fresh meat which I got from my master's house. That night learnt me a lesson, because after 10 hours rain, I was shivering very much. Next morning, my friend Tom asked me, "Do you want to go back home?" Then I said, "Yes." He told me that some cats can't enjoy the liberty like us. So we went back to the house. He came with me at the door of the window. I told him to come inside. But he said brusquely means rudely. He said rudely, "I can't spoil my freedom. Goodbye." After that, he climbed back onto his rooftops. After coming back to home, my master gave me a punishment, which I enjoyed in a lively manner. Reveled means enjoyed in a lively manner. After that, she gave me a fresh meat. Now I feel the true happiness is in my master's house, where I was locked up. So at last, I want to say that the real paradise is that paradise which gives us true happiness. So students, अंत में मैं सिर्फ यही कहना चाहती हूँ कि हमें उन चीज़ों का आनंद लेना चाहिए जो हमारे पास हैं. हमें कभी भी उन चीज़ों के पीछे नहीं भागना चाहिए जो हमारे पास नहीं है। हमें हमेशा भगवान और अपने माता पिता का धन्यवाद करना चाहिए, जिन्होंने हमें इतनी कंफर्ट्स की लाइफ दी है जिसको हम इंजॉय कर सकते हैं। सो स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप you enjoyed the story and I hope you have understood very well. If you have any doubt in your mind, then you can call me at my personal number. Thank you. Stay home, stay safe.